everyone, and welcome back to this series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to find the number of times each student attended each exam. For example, we have three tables with students, tables with subjects, and the examinations table. And sometimes the same student might take the same exam more than once. The task is to count for each student how many exams they took for each subject. The trick here is that students that did not take an exam do not appear in the examinations table. For those students, the number of exams they took for a certain subject is 0, and the result should be ordered by student ID and subject name. Let's solve it in SQL. We write a select statement, and first we want to cross two tables, students and subjects. When we cross these two tables, we receive a Cartesian product, which is for each student, and we have 4 students, we have a subject. So we have 4 students, 3 subjects, and this cross join should show us 12 rows. Now we join the examination table. Notice when you have cross join, you don't need on condition, but examinations table we join with the left join. Therefore, we need here the on condition, and the on condition will be the student ID. With the student ID, we join examinations and students table. Examinations and subjects table, we join on subject name table. Now we just need to group the result and count how many exams for the same subject each student participated. We write group by student ID, student name, and subject name. These 3 columns we also want to display in the select statement. In addition, we need a column called attended exams, and we will count the subject name. It's important to count subject name from the examinations table, it's this column, because it will display 0 if the student did not take this exam. If we count subject name from the subjects table, we will get 1 instead of 0. But grouping must be done by subject name from the subjects table. In the end, we order by student ID and subject name. And we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we take student's data frame and merge it with the subject data frame. We specify that we want to merge it with the cross join. The result we will save into all pairs data frame. Now we count the examinations. So we take the examinations data frame and we group by student ID and subject name. For counting, we use size method. And we reset index with a new column called attended exams. And we will save this into a new dataset called exam count. Now we take dataset all pairs and merge it with the exam counts that we just created, and we will merge it on 2 columns, student ID and subject name. This time we use left join. This new dataset we will call the result. In our dataset result, students who did not attend an exam will have empty attended exams column. Instead of empty value, we need to fill this value with 0. We take the result, column attended exams, and we use the method fill an A with 0. The last thing we have to do is to sort the result. So we take the result dataset and use the function sort values. And we will sort by student ID and subject name. Now we're ready to return the result. First we want to display student ID, then student name, then subject name, and attended exams. Now let's run it. Alright, here we need square bracket. And we successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? SQL or Pandas? Let me know in the comments.